Buckles for hosting this today. This is our first ever ribbon cutting. It's something we're going to extend to members who are 6 months or newer to the chamber.
We welcome any way we can help. We want to get involved as much as we can, and please think of us for your upcoming events, and anything we could do, please let us know.
It's good to see a lot of members here, and it's good to see the support that we all members provide to each other. And Uncle Buckle is a new restaurant here, a new business in our community, and I'm really thankful that you all came today to support them. Please welcome Chinna. Thank you all for coming, and you all have a great weekend.